In this video, we are going to look at how we can start to round off this chair to get a more ergonomic shape. So the tool that we're going to use is a fillet, which apparently isn't just a tasty steak. So before we do this, we need to make sure that the chair is the only thing visible to us. Now, this is nice and easy at the minute because we've only got two bodies, but a tip for future reference is rather than clicking over and over again, hiding each and every single body, what we can do is right click and we can select isolate, hide everything else apart from that object. Now what we can do is we can go to the fillet tool, which is on the modify menu, or we can use that keyboard shortcut there. Another top tip for doing this is when we go to the select menu in the top right, and we can go down to selection filters. For this, we just want to make sure that select through is on. So this just allows us to select faces and edges on the opposite side of a body. So what we're going to do now is just highlight this entire body using a left to right, making sure it goes around all of it. What you'll see inside this is that it selects all 12 of those faces. Then what we can do is, again, we can just zoom in a little bit and we can start to add a fillet to this. Again, you can judge it by eye, or you can just start to type in a value. What you need to be careful of though, if you curve at a size bigger than the actual face, it can't actually compute that. So for example, if I do 200, it will bend past both of those faces. So that is just something that is not possible. I'm going to go with somewhere around 20 because I think that looks okay. Maybe 25, just add a bit more comfort. Once you're happy with OK, right click on the body that you've isolated and select unisolate. It's just going to show those bodies again. You can also use this tool on other aspects of your design. So you could use it to start adding it to these edges on the inside, make that nice and comfy. And also these top edges, it's entirely up to you. Have a little play around with the tool, see what you think looks good, and start to add some fillets to your design.